Hey guys, it's Danica here. So today I wanted to talk about micro needling for lips and my before and after for that. I have now been micro needling my lips and my face now for 16 months in total. I want to clarify that I only micro needle every quarter. So every 3 months I will do a whole derma rolling session on my face and on my lips. That is because I want to give my body enough time to heal and lay down new layers of collagen. I don't want to over derma roll. Other people are going to have different opinions of how often to derma roll, but this is personally what I do. So derma rolling or microneedling is a pretty recent skin rejuvenating technique that's being used in many cosmetic surgery clinics, and now you can do it at home by just buying a $15 derma roller off of Amazon or whatever site of your choice and doing this procedure on yourself. It's pretty simple. You just roll a roller with needles over your skin multiple times in multiple ways. This causes wounds in your skin and stimulates growth factors, which causes your skin to produce more collagen. Collagen is what makes your skin look plumper, firmer, younger, fills in fine lines and wrinkles. It just looks nice when you have lots of collagen under your skin, and this also applies to your lips. Full lips have a lot of collagen. If you want to get big lips, but you don't want surgery or fillers, this is a great alternative, and it's very cheap and it's very easy, and you can easily do this at home, but you're just gonna have to wait a few months to see the full results. So yes, you will get fuller lips from derma rolling. I have already posted 2 befores and afters of my lips just from derma rolling alone, and I did see results with it. You're not going to see results like how you would see with if you got fillers. Like, you're not going to have huge bee sting lips. That's not what you're going to get, which in my opinion is a good thing. The natural shape of your lip is going to be still retained. It's just going to be bigger and more enhanced, and it's going to look fuller, and that's what you want, right? You want to stick with the natural shape of your lip. To me, that's the most flattering. I also want to mention that you want to be using a 0.5 millimeter length needle for the derma roller that you purchase, because you want the needles to be deep enough to penetrate into the skin to produce enough collagen. I will link a 0.5 millimeter derma roller below if you want to check it out on Amazon. So I'll take you to my laptop now and show you my befores and afters. Hello everyone, welcome to the official before and after pictures. So I'm going to show you the progression of my lip growth since I started. We will start with the first picture here, which is this one. Here are my lips before I started derma rolling. Here are my lips after 1 year of derma rolling. As you can see, they look a lot plumper and a lot fuller, and you can see even here that there is so much collagen that there's a shadow cast above my upper lip here. My lower lip does look bigger too. It looks like I actually got fillers, I think, almost, but not in a freaky way. Okay, so here's how they look after 16 months of derma rolling. So I did another derma rolling session because I only do it every 3 months. So they look bigger. I don't know why they look crooked. I think it's just the angle I took them at. My lips are not crooked, but that's just how they look, so sorry. They do look bigger to me. They look fuller. They look more fuller like up here. You know, it looks like they're getting fuller in the center almost. It looks like they're growing width-wise, not really length-wise. And then there's still a bit of a shadow cast here. You can see up here. And in general, they just look fuller. I personally think this is as big as they're going to get, and I'm happy with this size. I think it looks very in proportion to the rest of the features on my face. I'm going to show you the before and after of 16 months total, which is this picture here. So clearly there is a huge difference in the size of my lips. Like, you definitely cannot deny that derma rolling works to make your lips bigger. My upper lip looks a lot bigger, and my lower lip looks bigger as well. Not as big as my upper lip, mind you. So yeah, this definitely works. It's cheap, It's easy, it's affordable, and if I were you, I would give it a try. So there you guys go. If you want a full dermarolling tutorial for how to dermaroll your face and lips properly, check out this video above. And if you want to see how dermarolling improved my stretch marks, check out this video here because it also worked for my stretch marks. Okay guys, if you're interested in dermarolling and dermarolling result videos, please subscribe. I'll have lots of that coming. Bye!